1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Nice try. Now, in 1964, Dr. Peter Higgs, accomplished self-promoter and physicist, he wrote a paper...
9 raccoons out there.
Are there?
I took video of them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They eating everything up and up?
Huh?
Are they eating?
Any what?
Are they eating?
Oh yeah, they're all eating.
Okay, good.
I was going to put some cookies out, but I think they're going to run if I crack the door.
Okay.
But I'll put some out anyway.
Alright.
They'll come back.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, somebody's in the... I don't know where she's at. He's in the haunted house. He's just a corner cat. He had steak, roast beef. He had roast beef and gravy. And last night he had Subway pizza, Subway sub sandwich. He likes the steak one. Before that he had chicken pot pie. All right. You guys are gonna run, aren't you? Huh? You run if I put cookies out? Huh? You gonna run? If I crack the door? Oh, there's Bandit, look. There's Bandit. Yeah, they're all leaving now, huh? Bandit, what are you doing? And Rosie's up on the stoop there. I'll put some cookies out, okay? We'll give the door a little crack. There we go. There, I'm gonna wait for some cookies. Well, I'll put this out. There, put the stand out here. And then I can get the cookies. There. I got some right here. The other fellow's gonna have to come down from the stoop to get his. My God, they're all hanging around. Good. That was rolling off, is it? Nope. Oh boy. I like the cookies. They're stopping them from rolling, which is good. I'll throw some marshmallows out too, because I've got half a package going here. They love those cookies. There. They're doing good. So we're having high winds and rain today. I'm surprised the road. They got the windows all dirty. You're dirty in my windows. All right. They got a whole thing of cookies and they didn't run.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's real good.
So we're saying goodbye.
Bye.
See you later.
Have a good weekend.
Huh?
Have a good weekend.
Yeah. Thanksgiving weekend.
No, that's next weekend.
Is it? I thought it was this weekend.
No.
Oh, all right.
Okay.